Hi, I'm Jared Doraguzzi, a press operator for the McCourt Label Company. I like the Domino because of the speed, the quality, and the consistency. It's unbeatable.
Really, the Domino is really opening our eyes to expanded horizons. Well, that's where we were a year and a half ago.
And today we have a new 7-color Domino press doing even greater things.
So 2 years ago, we decided to upgrade our print capabilities by investing in digital technology.
There was a lot of markets that we wanted to target, and we just weren't competitive with just flexo printing. So it was really important for us to take that step into digital printing.
But even with our improvements, we knew that we could do better. And as soon as Domino came out with the 7-color machine, which added violet and orange and increased our color gamut dramatically to improve our print quality and be more competitive with short-run work.
Our product mix has really changed over the years. Before only having 4-color, there was always that little bit of fear, wondering what if we can't hit the color. The new 7-color machine has really launched us into a lot of new categories.
Such as automotive, pharmaceutical, food and beverage, household products, and cosmetics. Because a lot of those are short-run, multi-copy, critical color matching, and we're able to land those jobs now where we couldn't before.
That's correct.
Investing in the digital machine was a major investment for our companies, and we need to make sure that the company that we're purchasing from is going to stand behind their equipment and help us with the new technology. I think that shows our confidence in Domino.
Domino not only partnered with us in making sure we understood the technology and that our operators understood how to run the machine, but they also helped us from the sales and marketing standpoint. In the last 2 years, we've added more new customers than we ever have, and we're benefiting by having new short-run profitable business with our Domino press, while we're still keeping our flexo presses busy as well.
We're going to continue to be a great solution provider for our customers, giving them solutions that stick. On behalf of McCourt, with the addition of our second digital press, we'd like to say,
Thanks, Domino.